In today's session, we will be dealing about the differential equation, particularly first order and degree 1. Okay, so let's get started. The topic of discussion is differential equations. Differential equations. We know that equation means anything that involves equals to symbol. Okay, anything that involves equals to is an equation. So differential equation means it is an equation involving differential coefficients. Involving differential coefficients. Okay, so I'll give you examples here. Examples like e power x dx plus e power y dy equals to 0. This is one example. Another one, t square x by dt square plus n square x equals to 0. This is another example. And one more we have dx by dt minus wy equals to a cos pt. Here all the thing is you need to have a differential coefficient dx dy dt, okay, dt square, like that. Okay, I'll tell you what is the squares and all. One more example, x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equals to 2w. Here the dou is the indication that the differential equation is a partial differential equation but not a ordinary differential equation. Generally the differential equations DE, okay, are divided into ordinary differential equations, and partial differential equation. Okay, so here we have, in ordinary differential equation it is corresponding to only one dx dy, like that. Okay, in partial differential equation what happens is that when a particular expression is derivated by both x and y, if it is involving both x and y, then you have to partially derivate with respect to x and partially with respect to y. It will be coming in the next topics. Okay, as of now we will see what is the order and next thing is order and degree of a differential equation. We will see that order comma degree. Okay, so order is said to be, it is the order of the highest derivative, order of highest derivative. Okay, and degree, whereas degree is the degree of the highest derivative, degree of the highest derivative. Okay, I'll give you examples here. Okay, see here, dy by dx y equals to x into dy by dx whole square plus x. Okay, as you can see here, this term dy by dx is having only order of 1. If it is like d square y by dx square, then we call it as order 2. Here we are only having d1 y by dx1. So order of the differential equation is 1, and the highest order is having a degree of 2. So we say that the degree is 2. Degree is 2. If at all it is cube, we say that the degree is 3. There are 4 ways you can identify the differential equation. They will fall into these categories. 4 categories are variable separable method. This is one kind of solving, and another one is homogeneous equation. Next one, linear equation, and next one is exact equations. Okay, so these are the ways you can identify in which any of the differential equation of first order and first degree can fall into. And let us see an example on this. Okay, so the example is dy by dx. Example, dy by dx. First I am taking this variable separable method example, equals to 2x into log x plus 1 divided by sin y plus y cos y. Okay, so as you can see here, you can separate this y terms, okay, and also x terms. There is no mixture of x and y. Okay, in this expression only y's are present, in this expression only x's are present. Okay, so you can separate them and do like this, cross multiply them, just cross multiply. What will you get? Dx into 2x log x plus 1 equals to dy into sin y plus y cos y. Okay, so we have to integrate on both sides. Why? Because we know integration is the reverse process of differentiation. So to solve this differential equation, we need to integrate on both sides. So that is what I am doing here. Integrating on both sides, what will you get? Integral of dx 2x 1 plus log x equals to integral of dy sin y plus y cos y. Okay, so see here, integral of, I am multiplying this, 2x plus integral of 2x log x equals to integral of sin y dy plus integral of y cos y dy. Okay, so what is the integration of x? It is integration of x is 2 is a constant anyway, so integration of x is x square by 2 plus, we have to do by parts here. Okay, I am writing it separately. See here, integral u v, where u and v both are functions in x, then u into integral v minus integral of integral v into u. Okay, so this is the formula of uv rule, we call it as in integration. So let us apply this here. What will you get? 2 into 2 is a constant, log x will be the first function and this is the second function. So what is the integration here? X square by 2 minus integral of 2 x square by 2, integration is over. Now we have to derivate this. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. So what is the integration of sin x? Integral of sin x is equals to minus cos x plus, here also same uv rule, y integral, okay, y into integration of cos is sin y. Okay, into this integration minus integral of this integration into this derivative is 1. Okay, you always have to choose the function in such a way that the derivative gets vanished in the second part of this uv. Okay, here it is getting vanished, derivative of y is 1, right? So see here 2 gets cancelled, this is x square plus, here also 2 gets cancelled, so x square log x, here 2 gets cancelled, x cancels here, x square minus, how much is the integration of x? X square by 2 equals to minus cos y plus y sin y minus integral of sin is minus cos y, right? Plus constant you will get here. Okay, so after simplification the solution will be x square minus x square by 2 is x square by 2 plus x square log x equals to, I am rearranging the terms here, y sin y minus cos y minus of minus plus cos y plus c, minus plus cancel. So finally the answer is x square by 2 plus x square log x equals to y sin y plus c. This will be your final answer. So another example is dy by dx equals to sine of x plus y plus cos of x plus y. So to make it into variable separable method, you have to make this x plus y equals to some other variable t here. Okay, so to get this dy by dx, you need to differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, then what will you get? Differentiating with respect to x, then what will you get? 1 plus dy by dx equals to dt by dx, right? So what is this? Dy by dx now? Dy by dx is equals to dt by dx minus 1. Okay, so substituting this in this, what will you get? dt by dx minus 1 is equals to sine of x plus y is equals to t. Then what happens? Sin t plus cos t. After getting this differential variables and the other variables separately, what will you get? Sin t plus cos t. This comes here as plus 1. Okay, now cross multiply here. This is 1. If you cross multiply, what happens? dt by this term equals to dx by 1. So dx will be equals to dt by sin t plus cos t plus 1. Now you have to integrate on both the sides. After integrating on both sides, the integral of dx is x here, and after that integral of dt divided by 1 plus cos t plus sin t, like this will be getting. Now if you substitute t is equals to 2 theta to make it more simpler, then what will you get? To simplify this, you have to do this. Then what happens? d theta will be dt by 2. This is d theta. Okay, so dt you will substitute here, 2 into d theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta, that is equals to integral 2 into d theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta plus sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta, right? So integral 2 d theta divided by 2 cos theta, if you take it as common, 2 cos square theta if you take it as common, okay, 1 plus 2 cos theta is already available, 1 more cos theta you need to have, so divided by cos theta. Okay, so here 2 gets cancelled, 1 by cos square theta is equals to secant square theta. This we already know. 1 by cos square is equals to secant square theta divided by 1 plus sin by cos is sin theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta. Okay, so this is tan theta. Now what will you get here? Integral of f dash x by f of x. Okay, that I am writing here formula integral of f dash of x by f of x is equals to log f of x. Okay, so this you need to remember. Okay, now what will you getting here? Log of 1 plus tan theta. Now you need to go in the reverse manner where you need to substitute theta is equals to t by 2 where t is equals to x plus 5. That I am substituting here. Log of 1 plus tan, what is theta here? Theta is equals to t by 2 and again 1 plus tan of t is equals to x plus 5. So this is x plus y by 2. So this will be your final answer. So this is about solving a differential equation of order 1 and degree 1. And in coming lectures, I will be telling you more and more on higher differential equation order and of other degrees. Okay. So please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And please do comment down in the chat box regarding your doubts and any other questions that you have in particular, which I will be solving in the coming lectures.